Hey guys, if you're wondering where I just fell from, I was skydiving and then I just died, okay? I didn't really die because this is my soul, okay? What to do, what will I ever do? Well, that's what happened earlier today. Now I'm feeling a lot better because the doctor gave me this really cool Band-Aid. Want to see it?
Hey, can I see your cool Band-Aid?
Yeah, you can. Here. A few hours later. Oh, I'm not feeling so great. My butt hurts and the doctor gave me a lot more Band-Aids. Want to check them out? My butt is basically blue with a chicken head on it. Well, I guess we gotta go to the petting zoo. Well, I guess I'm at the petting zoo now. I'm just gonna pet this hippo. Actually, I'm feeling kind of tired. I'm gonna take a nap. Are you serious right now, bro?